Welcome to We Talk Islam. For the Muslim community in London, the holy month of Ramadan began with a sense of worry and frustration. A rise in Islamophobia sparked by what is happening in Gaza, as well as recent break-ins at mosques, have heightened fears and prompted calls for increased security measures. It should be noted that since mid-February, a series of incidents have taken place, including violent break-ins into 3 mosques in London, where individuals despoiled all the important materials used by the Muslim community. This has happened at a time when, according to Tell Mama, a watchdog focusing on anti-Muslim incidents, such incidents in UK have more than tripled since October 7th, when Netanyahu launched his deadly war on innocent people. It is in this context that the British government has announced that it will spend a sum of more than $128 million on security for Muslim community sites. These sites include schools, mosques, and community centers, which are often targeted by anti-Islamic acts. Home Secretary James Cleverly said the money will pay for the installation of alarm systems, fences, and CCTV cameras at prominent Muslim community sites across the UK. Islamophobia has absolutely no place in our society. We will not let events in the Middle East be used as an excuse to justify abuse against British Muslims, said Cleverly after the announcement of this funding. What do you think of this measure taken by the British government to protect the Muslim community in UK? Do you think this is really enough to bring comfort and confidence to British Muslims at this time when they desperately need it? Please share your point of view in the comment section below. Thank you for your time. Assalamu alaikum.